Miss Bella helped me by using an Excel Dropbox. It helps a lot because of my dyslexic and
What did you find? How did it help you doing the Dropbox?
it helps me by instead of putting it all together, I can just go to put it in one half, then I go to my work and it puts it together for me. Then that helped me a fair bit to understand my work even easier.
So you were able to put your ideas in small chunks in the Dropbox?
Yeah.
And then go to the next page to see your whole piece of work produced?
Yeah.
What made you to understand your learning by using that tool? How did that help you understand your learning?
It helped me by being able to choose my own specific words and gives me starter ideas for sub-sentences.